Cars and Coffee, Kingman, Arizona. This is inside the Bad Gas garage. This is where the Cars and Coffee is this morning.
I'm sitting here going, damn it. I'm only 70. I shouldn't be this bad.
Unbelievable.
I wish I'd have brought my GoPro with me.
You know what? Gotta be tough.
You know what? That's too much. There's some reputable firms to do that. I'd like to have that for my car.
Put that in the Studebaker.
Got $1,000 just in carburetors on that thing.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, $500 if you can get a
I just saw those guys.
427 big block.
That was a fast engine. My
Yeah, it
brother
was.
had one in a 65.
Said it's a Harley Davidson.
And that car,
Oh my word.
went. The only thing is when they broke the engine down to redo it, the block was cracked in 3 places.